I am introducing you the Eco-Cruising Futur, which is one of the other projects from the Flagship initiative. And I think, yeah, and it's me. So my name is Marika Mazzi Boém. I'm the Innovation Strategy Director at X23 and the coordinator of the project, X23, very briefly. And this is coming to the consortium introduction, is my organization, a private research center and a business support organization. So when collecting all the interest from the consortium partner, we try to mirror all the main countries in the West Mediterranean region. So we have the, as you can see, the Port Management Authority in Morocco, from Tangier. We have the Green Evolution organization, which is in capacity building and training, from Greece. Then we have the Cyprus Marine and Maritime Institute. They will be on the Blue Skills Manager. Then we have the Chamber of Commerce of Tunisia. Then we have, of course, the National Italian Tourism Board as Tourism Product Manager, the Communication and Dissemination Manager from Escame, and of course, since we are talking about cruising, Celestial Ship Manager and Lean Incubator from the Innovation Support in Algeria. So the project scope, so exploiting, what we want to do is to exploit the green and blue potential of West Mediterranean tourism SMEs. How? Through cross-border cooperation. For what? To unlock the new business opportunities around a specific sector, which is the eco-cruising tourism sector. So what's the problem? A picture is worth thousands of words. I think it's self-explanatory what we are facing in terms of problems. And of course the tourism, the cruise sector is moving forward quite quickly to solve the challenge, but this is where we are. So the sustainable development in the cruise tourism comes right now at a pivotal moment in the global travel after the COVID-19, which was kind of a very strong barrier for the cruise sector, but also, I have to say, for all the tourism players in the industry. So what we need now is to decrease the strategy to grow tourism and to more strategy to contain tourism growth and develop sustainability. So innovation here is really important for the coastal and maritime tourism recovery, because we have something we have to bridge the gap in technology, for instance, in the travel experience and in the business modeling. So what are the challenges of the sector? Again, one picture is telling more than thousands of words. So we have different challenges, starting from, for instance, the reduction of plastic and microplastic, tackling food wastages, the management of water and so forth, and energy, of course, and reducing the footprint. But also, together with the technology gaps, we have a skill gap, and the cruise sector is quite covering a very large value chain, and of course different type of workers in the sector. So we have housekeeping team, culinary team, food services, marine operation. So blue, green, digital skills are of paramount importance. Our project approach. So we aim to strengthen the competitiveness and the sustainability of the coastal and maritime tourism ecosystem. So we are talking about ecosystem here. The competitiveness in particular of tourism SMEs active in the sector, so it means on board and off board. And we will do it by designing a new theme-based tourism product addressing the tourism, the cruising sector. How we will do it? So number one, analysis and strategic planning. Number two, capacity building program. Number three, product development and test. Who is for? So West Mediterranean tourism SMEs, startups and innovators, as we mentioned before. And we have our end users, millennials and Generation Z, which are typically not very attracted by cruise offering right now. The implementation plan, I will skip this because it's really boring and don't give you a lot of information about that, but we are close to designing the tourism product. And that's all for me. Thank you very much for your attention.